Okay, good afternoon, class. This is Mr. Lopez, and I'm going to walk you through the MyFitnessPal online. And it's what you'll be using for your project for nutrition. So we're going to start off. I'm going to show you how to sign up an account with MyFitnessPal, and then walk you through the login of your food and the login of your calories for the week. So we're going to start off with the sign up with email here at the bottom. And then we are going to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter your school email address here. I'm going to enter mine and make your password. And you're going to enter in some stuff about yourself. So you enter in your pounds. So I'm going to enter mine in. And also your height. So I'm going to put those two. What is a particular goal weight that you have in mind for yourself? So I could say this. Enter all your birthday information. I know this is getting a little personal, but that's okay. You're my students, and you're the only ones that will be seeing this. So I'm going to enter this stuff in. And it asks here, how would you describe your normal daily activities? So for myself, I would put active. I'm almost doing something every day, whether it be running or weightlifting or playing sports with some friends. So, and it asks, how many times a week do you plan on exercising? And I would say around maybe, let's just put 5 to keep it optimistic. And how do you want to track expended energy? Let's just do it in calories. I'm not doing it in kilojoules. And then what is your goal? So I'm just going to say here maybe 2 pounds a week. You can have obviously a lesser goal if you want. That's pretty good for now. Okay, so the next thing that comes up when you're done signing up is going to first pop up with suggested fitness and nutrition goals. So, so my daily target for my calories is right here. It's 1,730 calories. Your carbs right here at 216 grams. That's how it's measured. And then fat, 58 grams. Protein, 87 grams. And we're not going to worry about fitness goals right now, guys. We're just going to focus on the nutrition part. So don't worry about your calories burned and all this stuff down here. We're just focusing on this top part of nutritional goals. So I'm going to press get started now. So here is our daily calorie goal. And what you're going to do is you're going to add food. So I put on here, so this is awesome. You can see a calendar up here that shows the days. So let's just say that I'm starting today to log my food. So for breakfast, I had cereal. So I'm going to type in cereal here. And it's going to see here that, it's going to show here just the rough amount of calories in a bowl of cereal, which is around 200 calories. So I had, I believe I had 2 servings actually. So let me put that on there. So I go ahead and click Add to Food Diary. And it'll see here on the top, it's going to show what the calories are, what the carbs, the fat, the protein grams, the sodium milligrams, and the sugar in my cereal. So it's really easy, guys. And then I go to my lunch. For lunch, I had chicken soup. So maybe it'll come up here. Let me just check. Oh, perfect. Chicken noodle soup. That works. And I had 2 servings of that as well. And you can even see here, a ladle. So if you're using a ladle to serve your soup, it's about 6 ounces. That's what I use. So we'll keep the measuring at that. And then it shows here lunch. So I keep it lunch. And I just go ahead and add that to my food diary. And then for dinner, I don't know what I'm going to have for dinner, and I'll put that on there. And also, don't forget to add your snacks. So you're going to have, a snack in between lunch and dinner if you're hungry. Please make sure you add that. And at the bottom here, it's going to show you your totals. So your totals of your calories, your carbs, your fat, your protein, your sugar. and just make sure that that the computer will log that in for you. And at the end, you'll be able to print all of this information off. It'll give you a printer-friendly um, log of all your food and your calories consumed. Okay, that concludes our tutorial, you guys. If you have any questions, please email me or ask some questions in class. So I appreciate it. Have a great day.